Hello, master machinists and curious minds. Today we're diving deep into the whirlwind world of 5-axis wizardry, tool vectors. So, strap on your learning helmets and adjust your curiosity to the precise angles of inquiry. And as we unravel the enigma behind tool vectors, behold my latest creation, vectors in motion. That's quite abstract. What's it about? It's a postmodern representation of precision and flow, much like toolpaths on a CNC machine. I don't know if I see it. Maybe you tried adjusting the angles? Let's dive a bit deeper and explore the fascinating world of tool vectors. See, this is where the real magic happens, and it all starts with the math. Specifically, vector math. Imagine our tool pointing. Then we can apply that to our aligned with the z-axis. After the first rotation, final orientation looks like this. I mean, could it be any simpler? Maybe we can look at it like this. Say our tool's tip is at XYZ0. If we move a point along our x-axis a given distance, this representing I, then move that point along the y-axis, representing J, and finally, we move towards the heavens, our K value. These values aren't just random letters. They represent the direction of the tool's axis. If we draw a line from our tool tip to our new point, we get a lovely little vector. The beauty of using vectors is that they're machine agnostic by nature. Vectors describe positions in a universal language. Programs written with tool vectors can be more easily adapted across different machines. Tool vectors do come with challenges. This flexibility means simulations must account for various potential paths, making it harder to predict the exact route the machine will take. Advanced simulation software becomes crucial to ensure accuracy and avoid unexpected machine behavior. And that, my friends, is the fascinating world of tool vectors. Whether you're a seasoned machinist or a curious learner, remember that tool vectors aren't just lines on a screen. They're the silent conductors orchestrating every cut and curve in the symphony of machining. So stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, keep machining. Whoa, sorry. That's gonna hurt.